Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fold down Ram 2500 rear seats full guide. Start by sitting in the rear or opening the rear doors to access the seat base. Find the release strap or handle along the lower seam and pull firmly while guiding the seat back forward. Keep hands clear of hinges and use gentle pressure to prevent fabric snags. Check for floor latches and stow headrests as needed for a flat load floor. Fold one seat section at a time to maintain balance and control when creating extra cargo space. After releasing the strap, guide the seat back forward while supporting its weight to avoid slamming. Fold the headrest or remove it if needed to achieve a flat surface, and then stow it safely. Verify that the seat back clicks into place and test for movement before loading heavy items onto the newly created cargo area. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read manuals and how-to guides anywhere with a glare-free display and long battery life, which is great while working on trucks. I find it handy when I need step diagrams in the driveway. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the seat won't fold easily, avoid forcing it and check for trapped items or misaligned latches first. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clear debris from seams and hinges that may block movement. Lightly apply a suitable lubricant to pivot points if the mechanism remains stiff, and test again gently. When in doubt, refer to the owner manual for torque or weight limits to prevent damaging the seat or mounting points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.